Hey everyone, I'm Leo and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm thrilled to check out the Sprleaf Wireless CarPlay Screen with 4K Dashcam, a total game changer for upgrading your car's tech. If you want a smarter, safer drive, you're gonna love this. Let's hit the road and dive in. First up, the features. This Sprleaf device rocks a 10.26-inch 4K IPS touchscreen that's compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, letting you access maps, music, calls, and apps like Waze or Spotify right from your phone. The built-in 4K front dashcam records crystal-clear footage with loop recording and motion detection, while the 1080p waterproof rear camera doubles as a backup cam with parking lines. It comes with a 64GB SD card, supports up to 128GB, and has a G sensor to lock crash footage. Real-time GPS navigation keeps you on track, and voice control with Siri or Google Assistant makes it hands-free. You can connect audio through Bluetooth, FM, or AUX for a seamless experience. Now, the pros and cons. The pros are huge. The 4K dashcam delivers sharp, detailed video even at night, and the backup camera makes parking a breeze. The touchscreen is responsive, and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connect fast, usually in seconds. It's easy to install with suction or dash mounts and fits any car from trucks to sedans. The included SD card is a nice touch. On the con side, some users report occasional Wi-Fi disconnects in spotty areas, which can disrupt CarPlay. The rear camera's 1080p isn't as crisp as the front, and the built-in speaker is a bit weak, so you'll want to use your car's audio system. Who's this for? If you drive an older car without CarPlay or want a high-quality dashcam setup, the Sprleaf is perfect. It's great for commuters, road trippers, or anyone wanting navigation and safety in one sleek package. Ready to upgrade your ride? Click the link in the description to grab the Sprleaf Wireless CarPlay Screen with 4K dashcam at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing waiting. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.